Hey guys, shopping today. I'm glad. Sorry, yesterday I didn't vlog. The video is in yesterday. So guys, already checked my bushes and my grip tape, my new grip tape, and now it's 10:30. I'm in skate park. Fucking hot. Okay, now it's not hot, so I'm gonna. Guys, I learned how to ride and moving ollie, not standing ollie, like moving. Guys, Melissa and Brendan, Isaac come later. My sister go buy water already. Half an hour drink finish already. So guys, we're gonna see you when maybe later or when they come. So guys, now it's 1:30. In my grandpa's house. I'm going to go one round. My brother and sister is staying back. So many rich house. So guys, I'm gonna end here. Not end here. I'm gonna stop here. I will see you when I'm in skate park or where. And Melissa, Brenda, and Isaac is here. So guys, I'll see you in there. Guys, you know what happened after we need to go skate park? Now it's raining. The camera is like so small, but in here like big rain. Fuck. My mother scolded me. I just played a fire and scolded me. I'm learning kickflip now. Kickflip. It's more easy than 180. So anyway guys, so I'll see you. Maybe the rain stop. I will keep playing. Bye. So guys, I'm gonna end up vlogging now. We did go to skate park, but it's raining. We just go a few seconds. Only half an hour and raining. But it's not. But go only I just go to cinema. Is it? I don't know go to cinema or not. But we didn't go, so there is you can't go. So I know how to kickflip. I'm learning how to kickflip now. So guys, see you in my next video. Bye.